Our wealth rests in the land that shapes us, our heritage and our culture. It allows us to conquer the seemingly impossible and guide us on the road ahead. It's a wealth that's opened our arms to explorers, witness myriad achievements, and share in bountiful success. It shines in the energy of our people, in the aspirations of our youth, and in the wisdom of generations.
هي أهم ميزة بالنسبة لدى السعودية هي الطاقة الشبابية اللي فيها.
This focus on the horizon fuels our ambition and drives us to scale new heights. A magnet for innovation. It's a space where talent can thrive, stirring a passion within us and igniting a dream. A dream to welcome the world for the 2034 World Cup.